ice pop stand and get away. Flavors of cherry and lime. You wanna taste my sugar so damn sweet, just like a Starbucks.
Welcome to my channel. So my name is Keymee K. We're going to be doing a hair tutorial today. So this unit was sent to me from Hermosa Hair. This is my first time working with this company. So they do have the lace band, the wig caps, and then you do get the eyelashes in your package. And then here goes the freaking beautiful, gorgeous unit. So this unit is going to be like basically done straight out of the box for you. It has 3 combs on top, 1 comb in the back with the adjustable straps, and then it has the transparent light brown lace, and the front is pre-plucked. Like the front is pre-plucked. It does not have like a straight across hairline. Like this unit is overall just a gorgeous, gorgeous unit. Look at this unit. Basically everything is done for you with this unit. All you are doing is cutting off that lace and just tinting your lace just a little bit. So this unit is going to be 24 inches. It is 220% density, okay? And then it is the number 27. This is their skunk stripe highlighted body wave unit, and it is a 13x4. So you can get this unit in blonde. They have the 613 blonde, and then they have the number 27, which is the one I have, the honey blonde. And then they have pink, and then they also have green. So you can get this in different colors if you want to. I'm going to go ahead and tint the bottom of my lace before I do put this unit on. Also, this unit, the sides kind of lift up, but as far as the top, they don't lift up at all. It fits my head very good. So if you have an average size head and you don't want to particularly glue this unit down, you see what I mean? Like the top holds good. It's just the ear tabs. So if you just put some glue or gel on the sides of the ear tabs, then your wig should not move and go anywhere. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take out some sideburns for this unit. And girl, you see the unit? Like this unit right here took me at under 30 minutes to do. It took me under 30 minutes because of how flawless the hairline is. The knots on the front are single knotted, so you don't have to pluck this. You don't have to bleach this unit because the knots are not visible, and it looks really, really nice. So I'm taking my lace glue. I'm just putting a thin layer, and I'm gonna go in with the got to be glued in the black bottle on my actual hair. I don't like using lace glue unless I'm doing the ball cap method, but I was stepping outside and I didn't want this wig to roll up because I didn't want the sun just to melt my got to be glued freeze spray. So that's what I'm doing. I'm just putting the lace glue on there. I did one little thin layer, and then I'm just using the got to be glued gel on like my actual hair because I didn't want to put that glue on my hair. So now I'm gonna go ahead and lay this unit down and then just blow dry it a little bit. For the baby hairs, there's some baby hairs that come with this unit, which I do love. So you don't have to, you know, pluck them out or remove them or use them. Like the hairline is nice, clean, and cut. Like it's very pretty. So I just took that little side piece out right there. For the baby hair by my eye, I just took that little piece out, and then I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this unit down so that the lace can go ahead and melt. And girl, like I was in love with it. Yes, this unit right here is freaking bomb. Freaking bomb. So right now I'm just brushing out those edges since I did use that gel, and then I'm gonna go ahead and pluck my sideburns. I left too much hair out on the sides, so you really don't have to pluck the sides. I just didn't want to have to move any hair back. I'm gonna take my my flat iron to go ahead and curl the sides, and then I'm going to be using some freezing spray only on the roots. I've been for like the past maybe 2 hair reviews, I just been using the freeze spray only on the root just to give me like a natural hairline, and I've been loving it. Like my baby hairs and then the actual hair, like the lace and everything, it looks so freaking flawless and pretty. and there's like no skunk, you know what I'm saying? And it's been looking really nice. So at this unit, it looked very pretty. So now I'm going in with that same Ruby Kisses 3D creator on the part and just making it a little bit more visible. I usually use my Maybelline Fit Me, and I feel like maybe I should have used it because I feel like my Ruby Kisses looks a little bit too light for me. And yeah, that's the problem. But on top of that, I'm going to go in with my powder. I've been using my bronzer powder, which is the Glamazon Bronze Powder by Morphe. They don't sell it anymore, I don't think, so that's why I didn't show it. And then I'm just putting that along the hairline as well. Basically, that's really all I did for this unit. And then the front, like as far as the curls, all you're going to be doing is just brushing out those curls. You're not really doing too much with the curls. As far as the curls on my right side that you're looking at, I was gonna cut it, like frame it a little bit and then curl it, but I just went ahead and just curled it because I'm like, for this video, I just wanted to show you how it looks straight out of the package, so I didn't move the blonde and do anything with it. I just wanted to show you what it looks like when you get your wig out of the box. Like, they have the parting space for you, the hair is already curled for you. Like, it's very, very pretty. So all I'm gonna do is just recurl that blind piece on that side, just because I feel like it just fell a little bit. But then next time, I think I'm gonna pull all the blind to one side or do something with it, because this unit is overall a gorgeous, gorgeous unit. And like I said, that's pretty much all you have to do for this unit. This unit is straight out of the box, very, very pretty. So this unit is a 24-inch, 220% density, and then I do have the color number 27. I do have a coupon code that you can go ahead and use. I will leave that on the screen. It will give you $45 off, so it'll make your total $271 for this wig. Like, this wig is top tier quality. When I tell you this wig is like thick, pretty, and it says it's 24 inches. I don't know, because after the curls fell out, this unit goes to the back, to like the crack of my butt. So I feel like this unit is like 26, 28 inches. So for the price of this unit, that $271, you cannot beat. I swear, you cannot beat that price. Only thing is, make sure to deep condition your unit, because there was a little bit of tangling on the ends. There is gonna be some shedding because, you know, there is the blonde, but other than that, this unit is freaking fire. Okay, so I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.